Entry doors Murray and windows work best when matched with a coordinated upgrade plan, especially for homeowners seeking residential window replacement, home window replacement, and house window installation in Murray, UT. From energy-efficient windows and double-pane window replacement to vinyl replacement windows and custom window fitting, the right project can improve comfort, curb appeal, and efficiency across Salt Lake County. Homeowners looking for Murray, Utah replacement window company options often compare full window replacement, window retrofit services, and new home windows for older and newer properties alike, along with entry doors Murray solutions for a complete exterior upgrade. Murray residential window replacement is a smart investment for homes dealing with drafts, aging seals, and rising utility costs. Window replacement. Murray UT services often include insulated glass units, window seal replacement, weatherproof window upgrades, and drafty window solutions designed for the local climate. For homeowners searching for Murray, Utah energy-efficient windows or Murray energy-saving window upgrades, the focus is often on reducing heat loss, improving indoor comfort, and boosting long-term property value. Broken window installation, emergency window installation, and broken window replacement Murray, Utah are essential when sudden damage affects safety and security. Whether the issue is cracked glass, failed seals, or frame damage, residential glass replacement Murray and Murray window glass installation service options can restore function quickly. Many property owners also need residential glass installation, window glass replacement, and window frame replacement to address storm damage, accidental impacts, or wear in older homes throughout Murray and Salt Lake County, often alongside entry doors Murray upgrades for improved security. Vinyl windows Murray, Utah remain one of the most popular choices for homeowners who want low maintenance performance and strong insulation. Home window installers in Murray and residential window installers in Murray, UT frequently recommend vinyl replacement windows because they support energy efficiency, durability, and clean appearance. For many projects, double-hung windows, single-hung windows, and casement window replacement give homeowners flexible style options that fit both traditional and modern architecture. Window and door replacement Murray UT projects often pair entry doors and windows Murray, Utah for a more complete exterior upgrade. Murray entry door and window services can improve security, appearance, and efficiency at the same time, especially when combining new window installation with entry doors Murray upgrades. Homeowners seeking Murray home improvement window contractors often choose integrated solutions that coordinate window frame installation Murray, custom windows in Murray, Salt Lake County, and exterior weatherproofing. Custom window fitting is especially useful for unique openings, older homes, and specialty architectural designs. Murray custom residential windows, bay window installation, picture window replacement, and awning window replacement can transform a room with better light, improved views, and precise performance. When standard sizes do not work, custom window fitting and full window replacement options allow a Murray, Utah local window replacement experts team to deliver a tailored result for challenging measurements or custom trim details. Drafty window installation Murray services are often needed when homes in the area experience temperature fluctuations and air leakage. Weatherproof window replacement Murray, window frame installation Murray, and window seal replacement can help stop drafts while improving comfort in bedrooms, living rooms, and basements. Many homeowners searching for residential glass replacement Murray or Murray window glass installation service want solutions that address both performance and appearance without unnecessary disruption. Double-pane windows Murray UT are a leading choice for homeowners who want strong insulation and long-term savings. Insulated glass units, energy-efficient windows, and weatherproof window upgrades help reduce outside noise and stabilize indoor temperatures. For those comparing residential window replacement and window retrofit services, the decision often comes down to budget, home age, and whether the existing frames can support a retrofit or require full window replacement. Home window replacement in Murray should be handled by professionals who understand local weather, home styles, and installation standards. Murray, Utah house window installation and house window installation services often include measurement, removal, sealing, and cleanup for a smooth process from start to finish. Whether the need is window replacement near Murray, Utah, Salt Lake County residential window replacement, or residential window installers in Murray, UT, choosing the right team matters for long-term performance. Casement window replacement, single-hung windows, and double-hung windows each provide different benefits for airflow, cleaning, and operation. Murray Home Improvement window contractors can help homeowners compare styles based on room function, budget, and design goals. For homes that need better ventilation or easier maintenance, these window types can be paired with energy-efficient windows and custom windows in Murray, Salt Lake County to create a more practical and attractive result. Window replacement near Murray, Utah is often more than a cosmetic upgrade, especially when the project includes residential glass installation, window frame replacement, and insulated glass units. Murray, Utah house window installation projects can also support better home resale value and lower maintenance needs. Whether the goal is home window replacement, residential window replacement, or complete window and door replacement, Murray, UT, homeowners benefit from durable products and precise installation. Window retrofit services are ideal for homeowners who want to improve existing frames without a full tear-out. This approach can work well for drafty window solutions, weatherproof window upgrades, and energy-efficient windows in homes that still have structurally sound frames. Many Murray, Utah replacement window company providers offer retrofit options alongside full window replacement, broken window installation, and emergency window installation to meet different home improvement needs. From residential glass replacement Murray to Murray custom residential windows, the right contractor can handle small installations and large upgrades with equal care. Whether you need Murray residential window replacement, home window installers in Murray, Utah energy-efficient windows, or a reliable broken window installation response, the best results come from experienced installers who understand local conditions. For homeowners in Murray, Salt Lake County, and surrounding neighborhoods, window replacement Murray UT services remain a practical way to improve comfort, efficiency, and curb appeal. Murray, Utah energy-efficient windows, double-pane window replacement, insulated glass units, and weatherproof window upgrades are a smart choice for homeowners looking to reduce drafts, improve comfort, and lower utility costs. Energy-saving window upgrades can make a major difference in older homes, newer builds, and renovated properties across Murray, UT and Salt Lake County. From vinyl replacement windows to custom window fitting, the right upgrade helps with drafty window solutions, better insulation, and long-term performance in changing Utah weather. Murray residential window replacement and home window replacement services are ideal for properties needing full window replacement, house window installation, or window retrofit services. Whether you need new home windows, single-hung windows, double-hung windows, casement window replacement, bay window installation, picture window replacement, or awning window replacement, a trusted Murray, Utah replacement window company can handle the project with precision. Residential window installers in Murray, UT often provide custom windows in Murray, Salt Lake County to match the style, size, and energy needs of each home. Broken window installation, emergency window installation, window glass replacement, residential glass replacement Murray, and Murray window glass installation service are essential when damage happens unexpectedly. Cracked panes, failed seals, and fogged insulated glass units can all affect safety, efficiency, and appearance. Window seal replacement, broken window replacement Murray, Utah, and window frame installation Murray can restore function quickly, while residential glass installation and window frame replacement help maintain the value and integrity of the property. For fast help, window replacement near Murray, Utah and drafty window installation Murray services are available for urgent needs. Home window installers in Murray, Murray Home Improvement window contractors, and Murray, Utah local window replacement experts offer solutions for every type of home, from starter houses to custom properties. Vinyl windows. Murray, Utah are a popular option for durability and low maintenance, while double-pane windows Murray, UT and energy-efficient windows improve insulation and noise reduction. Entry doors and windows Murray, Utah. Murray entry door and window services and window and door replacement Murray, UT also help create a coordinated, secure, and attractive exterior for homes throughout Murray. Custom residential window projects often require detailed planning, especially when dealing with unique openings, older frames, or design upgrades. Murray Custom Residential Windows, house window installation, and residential glass replacement. Murray can all be tailored to fit specific architectural needs. Murray Residential Window Replacement, Salt Lake County Residential Window Replacement, and Window Replacement. Murray UT services are available for homeowners seeking dependable craftsmanship, better weather protection, and improved curb appeal. From window glass replacement to full residential window replacement, Murray Utah House Window Installation delivers lasting results for local homes, especially when paired with high-quality entry doors. Murray for a complete exterior upgrade.